Hello, Africa Professor One Unfiltered platforms no about more spokesperson, Africa Professor One, more chairman, more chief linguist, more bibia, nekasanti, any day do count, Obasa platforms, so bondra subscribe, mom share, hit notification bell, anytime be a upload new video, no, necessary overcome mom, saka home, did like it, share, let's all move this conversation together. And say Africa Professor Unfiltered, because I see me, I can mention so. It's unfiltered because my journal home and I make an no crest so you been free no mean for being shamed. Said you see no sapepepe. It is so informative and so insightful until you pass some beer a year a mudoka cry no crest so a base on has some intellectual basis beer. Then this is the right place to come. Into one more time, we Africa Professor One. You need the attempt, the no credit done near the two. Until now, come on, minimum matudi me say Asantehene and his Asantefoᴐ are nobodies in Ghana. Then why talk about them every day? Mami says this should be if Asantehene and Asantefoᴐ, Asantehene and Asantefoᴐ, if they are nobodies, like a lot of people claim, so we if Asantefoᴐ are nobodies in Ghana, we don't even exist at all. Let's even claim, say, let's even assume Asantefoᴐ doesn't even exist. They don't even exist anywhere. Then why you keep on talking about them? Why some people keep on talking about them every day? I'm for pay fame, epe, trending per year. Then they trying to attack Asantehene and Asantefoᴐ. The moment you mention Asantehene and Asantefoᴐ, then people are for Asantefo no more any about. Oh yeah, some carry it true. That's what people as I say. And I'm for who did said they be America. That's what it is. You have to talk about in a yes, I can yes, some of Asantefo who now be your trend. Can question did you attempt Kasa Asantefo you you crash for Omani me, Pentokwa, Ye say, Chilmo, at the end, Cas, fish, nipa, a chobia, Mimi Asantini, mean Tina baby, Casmi, nipa, nipa, the Seribia. No. Me, him, Tina, me see so, me, my mean. Omumi in answer, Mamma me, Omumi in answer, Omami, and yet Ghana Neo, and why Asantini crowd, or ya American Academy. So, yes, be a mecandia cast and make Crum America, Crumhano, Memima Catafon, my brother, and elbow. Asantefoᴐ my baby, and if you ask me to on me, mean Cassa William Crum in 18 and says, I don't care about William because we need to be brave. Asantefoᴐ, a big crime, a bush, Asantefoᴐ, no near idea, or my war, Asantefoᴐ, more, Asantefoᴐ, man, money, I don't mean for Cuba, console, our end in Kosuke. And the emia baby free. And a yea, and to be happy, we are Asantini now. We are going to need big crana, our and cross such a bibia. Me that's not how I look at the world. And you won't more my kitten, and I'm thinking how more green side and you wouldn't pack crowd to honor, would the Asantefoᴐ, what fra Asantefoᴐ and Asantefoᴐ to say, Asantefoᴐ who Asantefoᴐ call and Cosco, who to what you want, what you want, who school ban wako, school ban wako. I will be a man school ban or me Asantini, my better America, me banam the high school, 6th form, and I'm the back cross my could do PhD level, and to me Asantini, who do till Ghana now teaching in our tea, would you know him? And I say, who someone other one day who be and to Mukasa, Montumbasina, Asantefoᴐ, who professor near Asantini be issue. Just specifically, no, because Asante, and I say Asantefoᴐ be, and I say, said ye were monophobia, said ye were, I will phobia, he for Gunja phobia, a who sound a trouble be a brafo, a be before India for China for, or be a who for, your mom is sober, unassuming, be, and to Casanipa be our Casa baby, one like I say, who put you all group of people in one basket and give them a name, be our own smart. Nipa bia obeput Asantefoᴐ etise okabia Asantefoᴐ bia menim ebronfo bia menim emfantefoᴐ bia menim agnafo bia menim. That's how you talk. Na so kujina ka Asantefoᴐ etise ya na woni ya wonya smart because Asantefoᴐ nyina na yentie nyina ya dwen baako agnafo nyina dwen baako ayigwefo nyina dwen baako mfantefoᴐ nyina dwen baako. What kind of argument is that? What kind of talk is that? Timika wo nyina mara ko kisi omutinche a omutiwa ene say because of the umbedintino, sorry, Asantefo, Asantehene, any Asantefoᴐ yeti. Yenina, and Asantefoᴐ eti yim and penny pass official chain penina. The whole Ghana, Asante region, and Kwani Babia, Omayi baby, ama different tribes etiho, Kumasi, capital, Nyakopon Krani, tribe Ben or Ghana, Sha, Omu capital, all kind of people. Asantefoᴐ yim. And to cross Asantefoᴐ no more to twin no money for the goma for omni and cransa for an aircon. The entire Sama Asantehene or corn cransano because Obia unim adibionim history pound say and cransano, Asantefoᴐ, Asantehene, and the form a criti in cransa. And then Cocraformiansa and cransano, Zanat and Cocraformiansa from Amukum, Kumasiamukum, the move ya Kofa, Mampo area, a cock chicken and cransa. And in cransa, wasasi kesi brain, Asantefoᴐ and in cransa for the corner jet, Tachima, for assassin be brema, and cransa, and was a asasi kakraka. Nakaka said, one of the richest, and I said the richest man in Ghana at this point. Nick Dansu Biomas at the end. Calvision could best support to Asantene or no person obey invited Asantene and Gomra and Cransa. Ye only say, Omina massively. Amokum and two near Tinchen and Asantefoᴐ Pentoqua, Omitron baby Nicolas Bank Cransa. Asante and in Cransa is one. That's a fact. No meaning a defeated Techima, Titiwana Jit. Techima phones us to be brave fire and cries and yet true. Wouldn't me history, no one come and answer because of trouble bigotry. And that's all you're ignorant, no name history. Just shut up, keep quiet, and stop talking about things you don't know. Tetiwano, Nyansasi, Britain, a train in a Nyantoka, United States, a year Cassian, all the western lands in California, New Mexico, Oregon, never belong to Mexico, the country Mexico. United States in Toka and only Koji assassinating at that time. Sir James spoke, the 11th president of the United States, and the Koji assassinating Tetiwana countries expanding. And what is wrong? A brown area home to not tell me independence. Your baby is a brown half. Ashanti West, Ashanti East, that was a fact. Oh, and think of between China and Asantefoᴐ Pentoqua. History is history. You cannot change it. And to me, command me this Musarana, Asantehene, Asantefoᴐ, they are nobody. And so the Biasu for Toko. Akwe obeya. Sebi you. We should him cry, you cry now. I said, oh, book cry from. Obegina as Asantefoᴐ for as your friend of few Pukwasi, Asantefoᴐ for Massam Colony, and Hono. Says a young Gina Casse. Or static Asantehene Asantefoᴐ asam no. Say trend when ya why is so important, why is so popular. They say Sikakura or Jinyesika. You see, it will be me see. This will never stop because they know saying Ghana, that's a fact. Ghana, upe so trending, upe so you popular pa. And yes, and can't assume make can for Asante who and I said did the Asantehene atem. Sebi you. Can some nyansa nim if Asantehene only Asantefoᴐ. That's how you get trend because we are some Osunu Yonko our tao. And any person Yanko Pumpo, right? Say Jew for her, a month for a town almost so still. Countries, all the Arab countries in there to me come boom, and so Israel for boom, whatever be. Ready, Iran, I say, huh? Iran, and Mark ran in a pilot to plane, called to me right Iran. For 3 hours, no more control Iran airspace. I disorganize defense system near the Adina. I destroy your person, destroy we and so and Israel. And man planes 100 and they call Iran. Iran for Anugum. You see, I did your heart. Saying coupon was Shirawa Nasa or more, we are dead. And Tina go for sorry, Jew for Sana, Ghana, Asantefoᴐ the beer, because one, yes, I won't trend it. One the Dias Nantini, Sebi, one can Jimmy Summoning Quasa Samanka, Alpha, Asantehene, one as Asantefoᴐ. You won't get trend. That's what it is. You ain't why you can't say, but when you until me come on, me person, I say, Asantehene, any Asantefoᴐ, they are nobodies. Omunye hui, omunye sing, omunye well educated, omunye dien, omunye who pentocado, baby, no mukasa, sibi omusomudia, and like it doesn't have any historical basis, be fine. When you're a paramount chief, paramountcy, no, one they define. And I'm casting they are all social construct. Abrafon they create your definitions. And I'm also sorry, yeah, Musi Abrafin, Omuchrom, the chair, the enya, the brony bit my bibini bet, and so all my concepts, no, all my creating, social construct, terms, no, certain concepts, my creating, definitions near that. Still, only use you, and you almost see you need because those days, Queen Elizabeth, ne Queen, at the end, you know, queens. Nti wo mu ba Africa no mo kodaki for mo ye hwan who born dog na mo be from mo ye kings. Nti wo mu na ye king ti mo de mo ye paramount. You see, and a kodaki ye te Ghana ye see so smart, ye well educated ye choosing to ya say ko dictionary. Dictionary one the true dictionary. Abrafo no then they say the abrafo be kasa ye no. So mo see when ye king they define king for you. They define who is a paramount chief. They define who nti ye kasa wo hina. Ahine kura se kesenyen ye kasem no ye ohine de nya king. Next Asantefoᴐ so mu de Asantehene. Asantehene no e ba 3 in 1. We overlord, we king, we emperor. Next sane ye definition it ya. Mu nam si kum ye ntiase ne ni king bia wo Ghana. Really? Nenye Kwame Nkrumah ani JB Dan Kwanda bia na meka ne ade. Omo ne persuade o say twitwi na o say twitwi e ma ne beka Ghana ho. Yeah, Ghana be a unitary state say in the sense say one president, but it doesn't change the fact that we have a kingdom. In the kingdom, once the kingdom is there, no history, you can never erase history. It happens. It's true. Kwame Nkrumah said the asase kesia na Asantehene Asantefo won kingdom near the no esa enye fair nti sakra na me fast your unitary state and say one your government that republic form of government fine but still no Asantehene we will give Asantehene that difference than I say ye this the power now asase na won ntini ye be man unique position that is the basis for Asantehene and the paramount chiefs. Asantehene and the paramount chiefs. That is the basis for Nkrumah and Stati. Nkrumah idea say Asante should be the live president of the your friend say traditional the chieftaincy your friend say National House of Chiefs. That was the reason. And I him be bear 2 or 3 your friend say Eastern region or him say Nana Kukruntumine. Say one Nana Domahin the first and I appeal to say your friend say champion and I champion so as a champion yeah I say okay Nana say opoku say na aba no so me cry me pesa de nti omo form that is why Asantehene cry say no national House of Chiefs no ono cry won kontram but say headquarters no move you be remove for Kumasi there it will be over any Ashante's dead bodies and that's the fact and the money be why history no is there we can erase history it's right there. Now, for canonization, Asantefoᴐ Nyehunian, as so ene, Obia obedi di Asantehene, Asante, Obacasta, as some Phoebe, as some any basis be for Asantehene Hono, any Asantefoᴐ Hono. That's how you get trained because you uncle for be one, Asantefo for no reason. Asante nobody, they are nobodies, and so Obia on nobody, Obia and Hunhiano. I didn't know why do you keep talking about them? Me, Obia Hunhiameno. And me buso ya boy be cry me na cry me no cry bi. Cut you off man. I don't care. Me kwa no mbasa so me kwa so no besa continue. If you don't care about me, who cares? It is sanity and say if you don't care about Asantefoᴐ, any Asantehene, omunye hui. Why do you keep on talking about them? I don't think that every opportunity be a benya and Asantefoᴐ who and Asantefoᴐ you say, why you keep talking about not just omun here? Not just say you cannot talk about Ghana history. Contemporary history without talking about Asantes. That is what make it meaningful. There's no way say you can talk about the history of Asante then Gokus and then independence time. Anyhow, Nkrumah appealed to Nana say Prempeh the first is the second. Say Osrenwa say because of administrative purpose and the baby obi asum no that was Nkrumah. And this division about Brown region, central region, northern region, it was Nkrumah's any other ideas and the man the bass. And yes, now Asantehene, and I said they carry about 1/3 or 3/4 of the lands of Gold Coast. That was a fact. You can change it. And he said, Asantefoᴐ mother. It's not true. God knows it's not true. And he said, me see again, Prince Charles ne Queen Elizabeth ne the BBI invite Asantehene. That's the basis, because beside Asantehene no, when he buy na your friends of Britain, recognize Ghana. When he buy. I mean, what he buy. That's what it is. And he made me point in command person with the titi and the tintin titi. I say, Asantehene and then Asantefoᴐ, they are nobodies. Ghana. Then why do we keep on? Why do some people still keep on talking about them every day? I didn't go for trend, pay fame. Person trend, social media, no money other day, politicians no per voter, and Asantefoᴐ no money other day, and Asantefoᴐ yet say, ungrateful me other day. Sa no more until the more took that trouble bigotry me other day about Asantes, the more they gain vote. Politicians, and the more other people also again it any trend on social media. That's what it is, and that's what's gonna be every day. That's what I said. Me point, but more than subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.